Hey everyone, and welcome back to AutoMind's Review. Today, we're uncovering one of the most brilliant and tragic stories in car history. A car that combined Italian style, American muscle, and British engineering, but was doomed by sheer bad luck. This is the Gordon-Keeble GK-1. 030 exterior. Music shifts to a cool, classy vibe. Host walks around the stationary car. Host, just look at this design. It's timeless. That long bonnet, the clean lines. This is the work of a young Giugiaro. It's a fiberglass body sitting on a chassis made from aircraft-grade aluminum. In the 1960s, that was cutting-edge tech. It's elegant, not shouty, and those four headlights with the twin-nostril grille make it instantly recognizable. 115 interior. Host opens the door and slides inside. Camera shows details, the steering wheel, dashboard, with trim. Host, step inside, and it's a proper, spacious Grand Tourer. It's not cramped. You've got beautiful leather, real wood on the dash, and a very driver-focused feel. It was built to cross continents in comfort, and it feels it. This is a proper, usable, luxury cockpit. 150, performance and engine. Cut to the engine bay. The big V8 is revealed. Sound of the engine starting with a deep, rumbling burble. Host, over the engine sound, but open the bonnet, and the story changes. This is where the American muscle comes in. It's a 5.4-liter Corvette V8, producing 300 horsepower and a massive amount of torque. Quick cuts of the car driving powerfully on a country road. Host, voiceover on the road. That meant brutal, effortless acceleration. 0 to 60 in under 7 seconds and a top speed of around 140 to 150 miles per hour. This was supercar territory in 1964. But unlike some fragile exotics, it handled and rode beautifully thanks to that lightweight build. It was a true gentleman's express that could humble Ferraris. 3 o'clock, the tragedy and history. Music becomes more somber. Shot of the host leaning against the car, explaining. Host, so what happened? How did a car this good fail? A perfect storm of disaster. Their financier went bankrupt. Their chassis supplier went under. A factory fire destroyed several cars. It was one thing after another. After a heroic struggle, production ended for good. In total, only 99 were ever made. 345, prices and legacy. Host to camera, directly addressing the audience. Host, so what's the price for a piece of automotive what if? Today, they are ultra rare. When one surfaces at auction, don't expect any bargains. We're looking at a range of £200,000 to well over £300,000. You're not just buying a car, you're buying a legend, a story of what could have been. 415 conclusion. Final sweeping, cinematic shots of the car. Music swells slightly. Host, voice over the Gordon-Keeble GK-1. A masterpiece of design, a triumph of engineering, and a heartbreaking story of misfortune. It had everything to become an icon, except for luck. Host back on screen, smiling. Host, so what do you think? Is the Gordon-Keeble one of the coolest classic cars ever? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Upbeat outro music fades in. Host, if you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to AutoMind's Review for more content like this every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.